Hello, my name is Alexia and my partner's name is Jessica, and today we will be talking about cloud computing. Cloud computing can be defined as a delivery space that provides infrastructure, platforms, and software that promotes virtual collaboration, storage of data, and processing information. Cloud computing allows for the user to download, save, and use a local server instead of a personal computer or hard drive. Cloud computing is mostly known worldwide as the cloud, as a server for many popular platforms we use today, like Google Drive, iCloud, Microsoft Azure, and many more. Cloud computing can be defined as a delivery space that provides. Since Jessica and I are both education majors, we decided that it was best to take the route of studying and researching on educational methods of cloud computing. So, one example of cloud computing in the classroom is that it provides students and teachers with software and hardware. These can include email accounts, for example, the @mail.usf.edu accounts under the Gmail, which was provided by USF, operating systems, for example, Canvas at USF, which connects students and teachers on an assignment-based level, and malware detectors. For example, USF provides a virus software which analyzes your documents. Our next one is research for post-secondary institutions. Cloud computing provides fast and convenient power to share and input research. A huge problem that was outlined by the research community at many post-secondary institutions was the need to obtain and maintain a vast input and output of data. Cloud computing makes the analysis and sharing of data more accessible to the research world. With cloud computing, Office 365 introduced Google Drive, which includes Google Docs, Slides, Sheets, and more. Google Cloud services allow you to work individually or collaboratively online. Google services allow for students and teachers to maintain an online exchange service for emails, calendars, contacts, and storage. Google services maintain a shareable platform for working with other students and teachers, organizing projects and teams, and finding people and information. Google services maintain many different outlets for creation that competes with Microsoft Office, but with the addition of collaboration and communication with others. Our little fact is that we used Google Doc to complete this exact project.
While many companies have adopted the cloud into their programs, many people still argue the advantages and disadvantages of using these programs. Some of the advantages include collaboration, which allow multiple people to work on the same project at the same time. It's also convenient because since it allows multiple people to work on it at the same time, it allows them to do it from the comfort of their own homes, from different classrooms, different states, all at the same time. It's flexible in the sense of you can go from one computer to another computer and pull up the same information without having to worry about flash drives, transferring files, or files getting corrupted. It's also cost effective. Many of these programs are free or low cost for the user, and that allows it to be a lot more open access to many more people, and why it's very convenient in education. Some of the disadvantages are there a lack of security and privacy issues. This is an issue for schools because it's harder to monitor student activity using these programs. Issues with performance. Many people argue that these programs do not provide enough storage for the average user, or especially in a school setting. And finally, it requires constant internet connection. For the programs to be collaborative and saved to the cloud, you need an internet connection, where if you lose internet or you want to work on the project in an area where you don't have access to the internet, then you're not able to work on that project or save it. The future of cloud computing looks promising. There's been an increase in use since it's reached the mainstream market. Many companies have been trying to enhance their servers over the years, providing more storage and more efficient usage, and this is likely to increase even more the longer the technology is around. There also have been more laws put in place in general for the internet relating to privacy, as well as many more to protect the rights and privacy of the user. Cloud technology can be extremely useful in the classroom for both teachers and students. For teachers, it allows them to both work from at home and at school on things like lesson plans and PowerPoints without having to worry about files getting corrupted or lost or forgetting to bring a flash drive with them. It also allows them to work in collaboration with students or have students work in groups to be collaborative with each other, also making it easy for them for home and at school. It also allows teachers and students to be flexible in case of room change or something where the original computer that the document was made on is able to be retrieved from a whole other computer. However, teachers should not rely on cloud computing, as it does require a constant internet connection. It is really easy for files to not be able to be accessed if the internet isn't working, so teachers should have a backup option, but it is a great tool for teachers to have and should be utilized.